everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make fish cutlet. I am going to use a white fish, adding it with all the other ingredients. It is very easy, children will love it. I'll show you the steps of how to make it. The ingredients for today's fish cutlet will be, main item is fish. I've taken about 200 grams, rubbing it with some turmeric, and then I'll be steaming it. Then I've taken about half a potatoes, boiled and mashed it. 1 onion minced, ginger about 1.5 tablespoon, garlic about 1.5 tablespoon, minced also, green chili about 1 tablespoon, curry leaves about 1 teaspoon, and coriander leaves. I'll be adding turmeric about half teaspoon, sombu fennel seed powder is about 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, pepper half teaspoon, salt to taste. I'll be frying it in oil, but I'll be coating it with breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour and egg white. I've already separated the egg yolk, but I'll be using only the egg white. I'm adding about half teaspoon of turmeric, I'll be rubbing it. Okay, now I am going to steam it like this. I have got the steamer ready, water is boiling, so I am going to put the fish inside to steam. Okay, the fish has been steaming for 10 minutes. It's well cooked. How you see whether it's cooked or not, the knife has to go through. Because see, I can cut the fish into two. Now I am going to debone the fish, add in the other ingredients and make the cutlet. See, already taken the fish. If there are any bones, then I will remove it as it's. There are bones, so I just remove it here. It's very easy, you can see the bones. Okay, it's all big bones. You can also use boneless fish. Use white fish. It always gives a nice taste to the cutlet. So long you remove the bones, it's very fast, very easy. See, I am just taking it in chunks. This is the egg white. I'm going to beat it with some turmeric. A pinch of turmeric. And then add the flour. This is for the coating. So this will be the coating for the fish, and then I'll be rolling it in the breadcrumbs. Can you see the consistency? Okay, now it is smooth. So I'm going to set aside. So the breadcrumbs, the egg white batter is ready. Fish is already been deboned. I'll be adding the onion. See, there's no bones. Can you see? Okay, even when if there are any small bones, when I'm rolling it, I will just remove it. So it is not a big issue. So now I add the onion, ginger, chili, green chili, garlic, and then the coriander will go in. Now the potato. Add in the potato. I boiled about half a potato. It's just about 2 tablespoons. Just to give the binding. Okay, I'll add the powder. Teaspoon. Okay. Fennel powder 1 teaspoon. Pepper, about half teaspoon. Salt to taste. I haven't added salt while steaming. Only now I will add before I roll it into patties. Or you can make it oval shaped rolls also as well. All this together. Okay. You add lemon juice, doesn't smell or gives a nice aroma. Half a teaspoon. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to taste the salt. Okay. Yeah, perfect. I just added about less than a teaspoon. Okay, now I'm going to make it into oval shape. My preference is oval shape. I don't like patty or round or anything. It's like a real fish cutlet. While when you are rolling, if there are any bones, it will be, you can see it and you can remove it. So this is the shape I'll be doing it. Okay. So I'll be rolling it in this. Okay, and then I'll be putting it into the breadcrumbs. After I do all the rolls, then I will chill it for about an hour or two before I start frying. See, I've rolled the fish cutlets. Now I'm going to chill this for about 1 hour before frying. This will be in the fridge for about an hour. Oil is hot now. See, when you put in the fridge for about an hour, it becomes very firm and it won't suck oil as well. Okay. After cutlet is ready to serve, you can have this with soup, bread, salads. It will taste great. Please put your comments in after trying out this recipe. I would like to hear your suggestions. Thank you so much.